Welcome to Max class. Today we are going to learn example 236 and the related problems. Okay? Find the sum of all natural numbers between 300 and 600 which are divisible by 7. Natural numbers between 300 and 600. What are the natural numbers between 300 and 600? Can you say 301, 302, 303, etc. up to 399. They asked natural numbers between 300 and 600 which are divisible by 7. How do you find that numbers are divisible by 7 or not? You have to divide. First number what? Which number I take? First number 301. Divide by 7. 4 sevens are 28. Balance 2, 1. 3 sevens are 21. 0. Remainder 0. So this 301 is divisible by 7. So I can write here 301 as a first term. Next term, how you can find it? Have to add by 7. 301 plus 7, 308. 308 plus 7, 315 plus etc. to last number also you have to find. How you find the last number which is divisible by 7? Last number what? 599. Yes, this 599 you have to divide by 7. Divide it. 8 sevens are 56. Balance 3. 9. 5 sevens are 35. Balance 4. Yes, here balance is 0. So dividend I take. This number is divisible by 7. Here balance 4. Now how I can take this number is divisible by 7. You have to subtract 4 from the dividend. Okay. So 599 minus 4. What is the answer? 595. That is the last term of this series. Right? 595. Next. Sum of numbers between 300 and 600 which are divisible by 7 is, how you can write? 301 plus 308 plus 315 plus etc. plus 595. Is this a series? Yes. First term is 301. Common difference is what? 7. Last term is what? 595. Now, you check which formula is applicable. We know for finding Sn, we know two formulas. What are the formulas? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Another formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus n. Here which formula is applicable? 301 is a, 595 is l. So, shall I choose this formula? Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay. This formula I can choose for this question. Now, a is here 301, l also here 595. But what is n? What value you have to give for n? No, we don't know, isn't it? But we know the formula for finding n. What's the formula? Number of terms n equal to formula l minus a by d plus 1. Right? Already you know. That is equal to last term 595 minus first term 301 divided by common difference. Common difference, how you find it? Second term minus first term. Second term minus first term is what? 7. 7 plus 1. Okay. Now, that is equal to, now we subtract 5 minus 1. 4. 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 3, 2. Divided by 7 plus 1. Divide it, that is equal to 1 7 is 7, 4 7s are 28, balance 1, 14, 2 7s are 14. So n equal to 42 plus 1, so n equal to 43. n equal to 43. Okay, come to the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Now you got n value also. So shall I apply here? Yes, 43 equal to 43 by 2, n by 2, 43 by 2 into a plus l. A value 301 plus l value 595. Yes. Now give 43 by 2, 300 and plus 301 plus 595. Add it. 1 plus 5, 6. 3 plus 9, 0 plus 9, 9. 3 plus 5, 8. Now this is equal to, now divide 1, 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Balance 1, 16. 8 2s are 16. Okay. Now 43 into 448 equal to, multiply here, 448 into 43. Multiply. 3 8s are 24. Balance 2. 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 14. Balance 1. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. 4 8s are 32. Balance 3. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Balance 1. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Now add it. 4, 2 plus 4, 6. 9 plus 3, 12. Balance 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 7, 9, 1. So your answer is 19,264. Yes, 43 equal to 19,264. Understood, students? Now exercise 2.6, sixth question. Find the sum of all odd positive integers less than 450. Question again. Find the sum of all odd positive integers less than 450. Odd positive integers, say 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Here less than 450 they are asking. Okay. So up to 449. Solution. Sum of all odd positive integers is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. plus 499. Previous problem we did the same way. Now we check here which formula is applicable. What's the formula? Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Because first value is there, last term is there, we can identify d value. So you can select this formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Now n value we don't know. How you find n value? N equal to, formula say n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. This is the formula. Apply the value. What is L? 449 minus A 1, D 2 plus 1. D how you get it? 3 minus 1. Second term minus first term. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now say 449 minus 1. 48 by 2 plus 1. So this is equal to, say 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 224 plus 1, n equal to. So n equal to 225. Okay, now n value also we got. Shall we apply the formula? Yes, 225 equal to 225 by 2 into a value what? 1. 1 plus L value. L value 449. 449. So this is equal to 225 by 2 into 449 plus 1, 450. Now you see 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, balance 1 10, 5 2s are 10. Now 225 into 225. Multiply here. 225 into 225. 5 5s are 25, balance 2. 2 5s are 10 plus 2, 12, balance 1. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. 2 5s are 10, balance 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 2s are 4. Okay? This same value only here also will come. So 0, 5, 4. So what's the answer? 5, 2, 1 plus 5, 6, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, balance 1, 5. So when you multiply 225 into 225, you will get 50,625. So yes, 225 equal to 50,625. This is your answer. Okay, clear now? Exercise 2.6, 7th question. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4. Sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4. Okay, this is students. Here directly if you find the not divisible by 4, it is so difficult. So you have to find first sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902, and then sum of natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are divisible by 4. You will get 2 answer now. The 2 answer if you subtract means you will get not divisible by 4 values will come. Okay, understand? So, first how you will write sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 is say what are the numbers? 603 plus 604 plus etc. 901. Okay. Now which formula you will apply here? Say which formula? Yes, n equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay. Yes, can apply the value here? Yes, all values you know? No. Which value you don't know? N value you don't know, right? So formula what? For finding n formula, n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Now apply the value n equal to L value. 901 minus A value 603 by D value 604 minus 603 1 only plus 1. So n equal to 11 minus 3 8 9 minus 0 9 8 minus 6 2 plus 1. So n equal to 299. N value 299. Now what you have to find? Yes, 29. 299. Yes, 299. Apply the formula. 299 by 2 into A value 603 plus L value 901. So this is equal to 299 by 2 into, say, 3 plus 1, 4. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 9, 15. Divide it. 1 2 is 2. 7 2s are 14. Balance 1 10. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now this is equal to 299 into 752. What is the value? When you divide, multiply means you will get 2, 2, 4, 8, 4, 8. Okay? 299 into 752 equal to 2, 2, 4, 8, 4, 8. Clear? This is what? Yes? 299 equal to 2, 2, 4, 8, 4, 8. Multiply and clear? Next, what I said to find? Divisible by 4 values. Sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. How do you find the divisible by 4? When you say this one number is divisible by 4, do you know? Last 2 digit numbers are 0. Last 2 digit numbers are 0. Otherwise, last 2 digit numbers are divisible by 4. Okay? Have you checked whether the whole number is divisible by 4 or not? Last 2 digit number must be 0. Otherwise, last 2 digit numbers must be divisible by 4. Okay. Now check here. All these numbers are here. Check 604 if you take means last 2 numbers divisible by 4 now. So 604. Next number what? 608. 612. Etc. Plus, now listen students, 901. Before number what? 900. So last 2 numbers are 0. So shall I say that 900 is divisible by 4? Yes, I can say that 900 is divisible by 4. Clear? Yes? Sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are divisible by 4 is 604 plus 608 plus 612 plus 902. Now come to essay. Again, the same way you have to do. What you have to find first? What's the formula? Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus a. Formula. Yes? Can you apply the value directly? No. Here n value you don't know. So first you have to find n value. N is what? Formula. L minus a by d plus 1. Okay, so this is equal to L value what? 900. 900 minus A value 604 by D value. D value what? 608 minus 604. 4 plus 1 equal to, say, 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. 8 minus 6, 2. Divided by 4 plus 1. Yes, now 1 4 is 4. 7 4s are 28. Balance 1, 16. 4 4s are 16. Equal to 74 plus 1. So, n equal to 75. N equal to 75. Now, what you have to find? You have to find S75. S75 you have to find. Formula. Apply the formula. 7 by 2 into A value here what? 604 plus L value 900. 900. So, say 75 by 2 into, add this 4 plus 0, 4, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 9, 15. Divide it. 1 2 is 2, 7 2s are 14, balance 1, 10, 5 2s are 10, 4, 2 2s are 4. Now, 75 into 752. What's the value? Multiply here. 75. 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. 7 2s are 14. 14. Balance 1. 7 5s are 35. Plus 1, 36. Balance 3. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3, 52. So, what's the value? 0. 6 plus 4, 10. Balance 1. 8 plus 6, 14. Balance 1, 6, 5. So, your answer is 56,400. This is what? Yes, 75. Okay, students, how do you find the final answer? What is your question? Find the sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4. So already I told, if you subtract all natural numbers and divisible by 4 natural numbers, you will get the answer. Clear? So, final answer how you will find? Sum of all natural numbers which are not divisible by 4 is, not divisible by 4 is S 299 minus S 75 equal to 224848 minus 56400. Clear? Now subtract it. 8 minus 0, 8. 4 minus 0, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 6, you can't subtract. 14 minus 6, 8. Next, 11 minus 5, 6. Here one balance, 1. So, 1,68,448. So, your final answer is 1,68,448. Clear, students? Understood? Yes.